Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you have watched my last video, right? So we discussed about all the important method we have in our string buffer class. So guys, in this video I am going to explain new concept. Okay, so till string buffer we have done as per our what content, right? So I explained earlier, right? 1 minute, I will show you what the things we have covered as of now, right? So let's see, till point number 13 we have covered, right? So all the points I have covered one by one in all respective video. Might be you have seen, and the guys who is coming first time in my YouTube channel. So guys, I have already created one playlist for string buffer and StringBuilder. In that already I have uploaded till 17 video. So guys, you can watch that video one by one. So I have covered till point number 13 all the respective topic in brief. So today I am going to explain one new concept, that is why we need a string builder even if we have a string buffer, right? Then why we are going to choose the string builder, right? That thing I am going to explain in very depth. Okay, please be concentrated with me. So I will go through our problem of the string buffer. That's why we are going to select string builder. Definitely we need to know the first reason, right? Why string builder needed in our Java, even already we have a string and a string buffer. So guys, please be concentrated. So guys, our topic is what? Why string builder? Why string builder in Java? Right guys? So that is complete our today discussion. Okay, why we need a string builder in Java, right? So most of the people know this thing. The guy who don't know, so for them I am going to explain this thing. Okay, so don't worry. So after watching this video, why a string builder in Java, so you should not have any confusion. It is 100% damn sure. It's my promise to you, because this is simple concept, but you should aware this concept, right? So guys, see. So last video already explained in brief, right, what all important constructor methods we have in our string buffer class. Okay. So if already we have a string in a string buffer, that's why we need a string builder. That is our main motto for this video. Main discussion will around this one only, right? So then, what is the need of a string builder in Java, right? So guys, there is a problem, right? Guys, there is a problem with a string buffer. There are some situation where a string buffer should not be used. So guys, you will have curiosity, right? You will have curiosity to know what is the problem, guys. So what is the problem, Amit? Okay, so what is the problem and which is the situation where we should not use a string buffer? Guys, yes or no? That curiosity I will explain. So after watching this video, you should not have any curiosity about why we are going to take a string builder in our implementation. Why we are going to choose a string builder even if we have a string buffer. Okay? So then it's very simple. Because once you will understand this concept now, why it's needed, they will feel oh, I mean, it's very simple. But most of the guys knows this thing. Okay, but why this is needed in this perspective might be they don't know. No problem, guys. So I see every method present inside the string buffer. What, guys? every method present inside the string buffer. Okay, I will add something. Okay, so every method, guys, what every method, what I have explained earlier in last video, every method of what a string buffer, you know, synchronized synchronized. Okay. Then you have curiosity, I mean, what is synchronized? Don't worry, I will explain this thing as well. So guys, every method of string buffer is synchronized in nature. Okay. So guys, I will show proof also. I will show the proof, because what I am going to explain in every topic, I am giving the proof. I am not explaining on the fly. Yes or no? I have seen, right? So you have seen, right? So what I am going to explain, that I will give the proof. So I will show you. So what all those methods we have learned in last video. So how it is synchronized. Okay. So guys, it's simply, right? So every method present inside the string buffer is synchronized. But guys, in you know, but in you know, StringBuilder. Okay, in StringBuilder, every method is non-synchronized. Okay, what? Non-synchronized. This is also I will show you. So guys, main thing you need to understand this concept. So every method of string buffer is synchronized in nature, but in StringBuilder every method is non-synchronized in nature. That thing I am going to show you now. Please be concentrated, guys. See. So what I have told, so in last class, guys, in last video already I have discussed you all this method, right? So this is string buffer, right? This is string buffer class. StringBuilder class, guys. In this we have explained 12 method, guys. So all the 12 method is synchronized. How you will come to know, okay? I am going to inside the any method, guys. Suppose this is append method, guys. So this is append method, correct? Yes. Come here, guys. Guys, tell me. So this is our string buffer API documentation. What, guys? This is our API documentation. Correct? You can see. Okay. Guys, see now. You can see, guys, very well. So I have explained, right, this method, right? Length method. You can see, guys. Explain length method. Guys, you see. I have explained length method. First is the length method. Yes or no? See length method, right? Guys, then you can see here. Length method, you get synchronized or not, capacity synchronized or not, insert capacity, explain, trim to size. So guys, all the method what we have inside the string buffer class, that is synchronized. What you get? Synchronized. So guys, you need to understand, if method is synchronized, so at a time how many threads are allowed to operate that method on the given object. Okay, only one thread. Suppose when first thread execute, then second thread will come to a start. When second thread will execute their task, then third thread will come to execute. Okay, that means you know what happened. So if method is synchronized, so at a time how many threads are allowed to operate that method on the given object? Only one thread, guys. Okay, you know, see how. Guys, see, suppose this is one. Suppose string buffer object. Suppose one string buffer object, guys. Correct? So guys, see, at a time, you know, at a time how many threads will execute? So guys, see, at a time only one thread. Guys, see, suppose this is, guys, suppose this is what? Thread 1. This is a thread T1. Okay, T1. When get this thread 1 complete execution of their task, then get second thread come into picture. Okay, then second thread come into picture. Okay, that is our suppose thread 2. That is our thread 2. Okay, in same way, so once the thread 2 will complete the execution, then get thread what? 3 will come into picture, guys. I hope you understood, right? I hope you understood. So one by one, okay, once one thread will execute a task, right, then second thread will come into picture. Okay, so what you understood, guys? So at a time, how many threads are allowed to execute or operate that method on the given object? Okay, that is only one thread. So guys, the threads are required to execute one by one. Yes or no? The threads are required to execute one by one. It increase waiting time, guys. Yes or no? It increase waiting time of thread, and due to its performance go down. Guys, yes or no? Guys, yes or no? What I have told? One thing also I will dictate for your future purpose. Once ever if you open this video, you may understand what Amit has discussed in this, why StringBuilder is needed. Right? So guys, see what I have told. The threads are, guys, the threads are required to execute one by one, guys, one by one. Okay, that thing you need to keep in mind, guys, one by one. So due to which what will be happen? It increase waiting time. Due to this, okay, due to this, guy, what will happen? Due to this increase waiting time. Yes or no? Due to which waiting time will be increased. Yes or no? Increase the waiting time, and their what? Performance, again. Performance will go down. That is the issue in string buffer. That is the issue in string buffer, guys. So guys, this is the issue. So guys, what is the problem you got, right? In string buffer, the problem is every method of string buffer is synchronized. So at a time, only one thread is allowed to operate on the string buffer object. So guys, so because of this, it increase waiting time of the thread, and due to this, performance also go down. So guys, then overcome this problem. To overcome this problem, in JDK 1.5, guys, this string buffer is introduced in JDK 1.0. But to overcome this problem, what I have shown you, right? So to overcome this problem, in JDK 1.5, the Java people have introduced one most beautiful concept, that is StringBuilder. Okay? Then Java people introduced one most important concept, that is StringBuilder. So that you can say what? Hence you can say to overcome, right? To overcome this respective issue with what? String buffer. Java people has launched version of what JDK what 1.5. To overcome this respective issue with StringBuilder, Java Apple has launched in version of JDK 1.5 StringBuilder. What? StringBuilder concept. We'll understand, guys. Don't worry. What is StringBuilder? First, you have to understand why this StringBuilder come into picture. Why this StringBuilder came into picture? First, I hope you understood, right? So, what was the issue, guys? So, at a time, if the method is synchronized, so at a time, how many threads are allowed to operate, guys? That method on the given object, only one thread. What I have shown in the diagram as well, right? Once the first thread will execute the task, then thread 2 will come into picture. Once thread 2 will complete the task, then what? Thread 3 will come into picture, like that. Okay? So guys, in multi-level environment, in multi-threaded environment, StringBuffer cannot be used, guys. Yes or no? In multi-threaded environment, StringBuffer cannot be used. So overcome this, StringBuffer launched in JDK 1.5. Yes or no, guys? That is the main difference. That is the main difference why StringBuilder introduced in our Java. That is main, guys. Everything, a part of that, everything is same. I will show you also with simple example, guys. Guys, concentrate here. Guys, see. Suppose this is our guy. Suppose this is our StringBuffer class. Okay. Suppose guys, this is our what? Suppose if it is StringBuffer.java. Okay. What guys? StringBuffer.java, right? So guys, see in this class, guys, you can see. So you have buffer, right? So every places you can see, right? It is buffer written, right? StringBuffer, yes or no? Suppose give me this place. So StringBuffer, right? StringBuffer written, right? Yes or no? So guys, you know what happened? So this is StringBuffer, right? Every place written in a StringBuffer class, right? So guys, in StringBuilder, you know what happened? So where buffer is there, just what? Remove that buffer. Remove that buffer, guys. That means you are cross the buffer, and guys, you write StringBuilder. But wherever buffer is there, you just what? Builder will be updated again. Nothing, guys. Only builder is updated. Wherever buffer is there, builder is updated. Right? And guys, one thing also, wherever this method was synchronized, guys, yes or no? The method was synchronized. Synchronized means at a time only one thread allowed to operate of given string of StringBuffer, right? So guys, see that is synchronized. So wherever synchronized is there, okay, that is replaced with what? Okay, replaced with, you know guys, what? I will tell you, don't worry. Replace with guy non-synchronized. Nothing else. Non-synchronized. Okay, that guy earlier it was synchronized, and guy after what? Implementing this concept, what? That is non-synchronized, guy. So guys, these two things only they have changed in our what? StringBuilder. Wherever buffer was there, they have done StringBuilder. Wherever it was synchronized, they have done what? Non-synchronized. So guys, there are two things they have. So guys, in space also, so we have earlier, right, buffer StringBuffer class. So what they have done? So remove that buffer. Okay, remove the buffer, and they have written what? Builder. They have written builder instead of buffer. and then same guy dot java, and guy you can write before that guy you can write a string. Okay, nothing else a part of that they have changed. Only these two things they have changed. So wherever buffer was there, they have done, they have updated the builder. Wherever it was method was synchronized, and they have done the non-synchronized. That means you can say, so all the method what we have inside the string builder, that all method are non-synchronized. What guy? Non-synchronized. So you can see non-synchronized what guy? That if the method is non-synchronous means, so at a time how many threads are allowed to operate that method on the given object? Multiple. At a time multiple what threads are allowed to execute it. Yes or no? So guys, that is the our main what difference, or you can say main thing behind introducing of string builder. Yes or no guys? So guys, multiple threads are allowed to execute or operate simultaneously. If such type of requirement what will be there, so we should go for a string builder. Okay, then I can write this thing also. It's important for you guys. So guys, when multiple, right, when multiple threads, right, are allowed to execute or operate simultaneously. Yes or no? Simultaneously. Simultaneously. If such type of guy, if such type of requirement, right? Requirement will be there. Will be there. So we should happily go through what guy? String builder. Okay, I hope you understood it. I hope you understood. That is our main thing what you need to remember guys. So guys, see, if you are learning a string, so it will take what 4 to 5 hours, right? If you are going to learn a string for 1 to 2 hours maximum, but if you learn a string builder, maximum half an hour guys. Maximum guys, half an hour it will take to understand why we need a string builder in our Java. So guys, I hope you understood it. So already I have shown you guys. So string buffer class, all the method is synchronized, and guys, I will show a string builder what all the method are synchronized or non-synchronized. So guys, this thing I am going to create one string builder object guys. You can see string builder, right? String builder, suppose sb10 equals to new string builder. String builder, right? Suppose if I'm going to append something here, suppose s10 dot append, sorry, sb, not s, sb dot append, right? sb10 dot append. Guys, see, I'm going to append some string, right, in existing object. Suppose I'm going to write here Java. This is our favorite string, right? And I'm going to print suppose sb10, but we no need to print here. I will print, but not need to here. I can show you how append method is synchronized or non-synchronized guys, because this is StringBuilder class I have taken. Okay, I have created StringBuilder object. Yes or no? Let's see. Guys, even going to append method, guys, can you tell me? So this append method is synchronized or non-synchronized? Guys, this is non-synchronized. So whatever the method we have in the StringBuilder class, guys, you can see all the methods are what? Non-synchronized only, guys. Yes or no? Because guys, so guys see, but this is append method, guys. So you can see this method is what? Non-synchronized. Yes or no? So what you understood, guys? So we can say, so the method which present inside the StringBuilder, that is non-synchronized, or every method, guys. Whatever the method we have in string buffer, same method also available inside our StringBuilder class. All methods are non-synchronized. Okay, that is the main difference. So when we need to go string buffer, when we need to choose StringBuilder. I hope you understood. So guys, one more time, last time I'm repeating this thing, so you people should not have any confusion. So guys, see, so string buffer, right? So in string buffer, all the method is synchronized. So at a time, how many threads are allowed to operate and execute that method on the given object? Only one thread. Right, guys? But in the case of guys StringBuilder, because all the method which available inside the StringBuilder, that is non-synchronized. So multiple threads are allowed to execute or operate simultaneously. Okay. So if such type of requirement if you have, then guys you need to choose what? StringBuilder concept. That's it, guys. Apart that, nothing else. But one thing, so string buffer is introduced in 1.0, but StringBuilder is launched in JDK 1.5. That's the point, guys. You need to keep remember, and you will master on the StringBuilder. A part of that, everything is same. A part of that, everything is same. Already I mentioned this thing also, guys. So buffer is updated by builder, synchronized method updated with non-synchronized, nothing else. Okay? The name was string buffer. Now the name is StringBuilder. That's it, guys. Apart that, nothing is there in this builder. So guys, that thing I have done. So if you like my video, guys, please like, share, subscribe, guys. Okay, and please click the notification button. And guys, I am repeating so many times in every video I am telling to you, if you have any confusion, any doubt, any places, please do me comment. I will address your comment. So I thought, I am thinking, so what the people are watching my video, they should not have any confusion after completion this video. So guys, now I am going to reach around last of the stage of the string buffer and StringBuilder, because only 1-2 video will be there now after uploading this video, guys. That's it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet very soon with next video with new concept. Take care. Bye bye.